As a leader in RF broadband solutions, RF-Lambda has developed very sophisticated, high-power, ultra-broadband millimeter microwave amplifiers to include solid-state EMC, AC, and DC RF system amplifiers up to 120 GHz with a smart microprocessor, DSP, and FPGA-controlled firmware system that can be controlled, operated, and updated remotely. At RF-Lambda, we are ISO 9001 and AS9100 qualified for infrastructure, test equipment, aviation, space, and defense industry. We demand outstanding performance from our products and adhere to the highest quality control standards. Controlling the quality at each level in the process is crucial to achieving our target of becoming the global frontrunner in RF broadband solutions. Therefore, we design and build our systems in-house to ensure that customer demand and application requirements are satisfied every time. Today, we will show you an inside look at our design and quality control processes. Our RF engineering team designs leading RF components in the defense and aerospace industry. We are using the latest EM and RF circuit simulation software to bring innovative and unique designs to life. Some of our RF engineering team designs include ultra-wideband power combiners, 10 and 20-way high power combiners, W-band low noise amplifiers, and TR modules for aerospace applications. RF-Lambda products are designed with microcontroller and FPGA digital systems to ensure the outstanding RF performance while providing a variety of digital functions. With 3D PCB layout verification, electromagnetic simulation, and latest circuit design CAD tools, our engineering team is involved in all facets of product development, application development, testing, and product release. From power supply systems to digital control systems, all the software algorithms are programmed and optimized to deliver the best product to the customer. Using the latest in 3D CAD software, our mechanical engineers here at RF-Lambda bring innovative ideas and hand sketches to life, exploring all possibilities for design and manufacturing to make efficient, well-built products. Doing our due diligence in making sure our products are thermally and structurally sound while calculating the information with our technical knowledge and performing thermal and structural analysis with the most up-to-date simulation software. At RF-Lambda, the most crucial microassembly process is performing the die attach. The process uses either the epoxy or eutectic process to secure the die in place. Next, wire bonding is performed, connecting the die pathways to the RF circuitry. This process is complicated and must be performed perfectly to ensure high-quality performance. Our experienced assembly team is focused on assembling quality into our products every step of the way. Tuning and testing is an integral process for our amplifiers. When we receive a unit from assembly, we make sure that each part meets the required specifications. In order to do so, it involves impedance checking the tuning inputs before adjusting them into the appropriate biasing values. Once the unit is tuned, it undergoes a gain test, followed by a power test. If the data is outside the parameters set by the engineer, the unit is then troubleshot, returned, and tested again. Once all parameters are met, we apply the finishing touches and either check it into our inventory or ship it to the customer. RF-Lambda only uses high-end test and measurement instruments to test our products. Our automated power testing software guarantees that each unit passes product specifications. RF-Lambda is also capable of performing environmental stress testing and vibration testing to ensure our product's performance when exposed to extreme environmental conditions, and to assess the functionality and durability when subjected to harsh vibrational environment. Each member of our testing team is well trained and capable of maintaining RF-Lambda's high quality standards to provide our customer the finest products. Quality control, or QC, is the process that businesses use to ensure that a product or service adheres to a predefined set of quality standards or meets the requirements of customers and clients. From physical dents, scratches, misspelling, to performance specs, here at RF-Lambda, our strict QC rules are recognized by our employees, knowing that they are producing high-quality products that deliver value to consumers, which in turn can improve overall company morale and help the company's ability to achieve the desired level of quality each time. For our EMC and AC amplifiers, we have specialized in-house shipping containers with custom ESD foam packaging to ensure products make it to their destination safely. It is our goal to make shipping as easy and efficient as possible, keeping the product secure while also providing a sleek and rugged design that is easy to transport. We hope you enjoyed this inside look at our product assembly. Our quality control allows us to accommodate any special customer requests above and beyond our fixed offering of products. Contact our team to discuss your organization's specific product needs. At RF-Lambda, we always aim to exceed your expectations. To learn more about RF-Lambda, please visit our website, www.rflambda.com.